Hey, this is Max with Moss Motors, and this is a quick start guide to your new Retrosound stereo. For the sake of this demo, we'll be using the Europa face along with the 4HD motor, but the basic operation will be the same throughout all the different units. Stay tuned till the end to hear about all the Retrosound offerings from Moss Motors, or just skip ahead using the chapters below. You can also find a link directly to the instruction manuals in the video description. Quick note, there's a front and rear knob on each side of the stereo. Now, let's get this thing powered on. Power on by pressing in on the left knob. You will see Retrosound scroll across the screen when it's ready. The front left knob will also serve as your volume button. Source modes. You have 5 different source modes to choose from. Rotate the left rear knob clockwise to access the different options. There are 5 radio bands to choose from. Rotate the front right knob to scroll through the stations. You can store your favorite stations by holding down one of the 6 preset buttons for a few seconds. The USB option will only appear if you have the included USB device plugged in. Once your device is plugged in, you can control your media through the stereo. If you happen to have an incompatible device, you can route a standard auxiliary cable and plug into your device's headphone jack. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your wireless device and choose Retrosound. The screen will display Connected. Sirius XM satellite radio is only available on the 4HD model and also requires an active Sirius subscription along with proprietary hardware installed. More detailed information can be found on the Sirius XM website. Let's move on to system settings. Press and hold the right front knob for 3 seconds to access the submenu. Rotate the right front knob to cycle through the available options. Rotate the right front knob until CLK appears on the screen. Then press the right front knob to select. To adjust the hours, rotate the right front knob clockwise or counterclockwise. Adjusting past 12 will change between AM and PM. Press the right front knob to adjust the minutes. Display color. Rotate the right front knob until Scan appears on the screen. Press and release the right front knob to select the desired color preset. Once your color preference is selected, wait approximately 5 seconds for it to register. Motor 1B is the basic model, yet still includes popular features like Bluetooth and an auxiliary audio input. Motor 2B increases the power output and adds a USB port for device connection. It also features a color display, RCA and subwoofer outputs. Motor 4HD is our most feature-rich model, with all of the features of the Motor 2B, but brings back the auxiliary port and adds Sirius XM capabilities.